Another day in the forest. For the young orangutan, it's another day of learning from its mother. By the age of 6 or 7, juveniles wander away from their mothers and begin to learn the skills necessary to become fully independent. That means starting with the basics. Orangs have an amazing grip, but they also need coordination. This youngster must learn to make 2 nests a day, a small one for the afternoon nap, and a larger one for nighttime. For orangs, these skills are essential, but that doesn't mean they come easily. The hardest time in a young orang's life is just after it leaves its mother. Learning to survive is a slow process, but persistence eventually pays off. This youngster discovers where there's something worth eating. For this tiny baby, it will be several years before he masters these skills and can fend for himself. Finally, the young nest builder succeeds. The battle with the branches is over. Now, it's nap time.